So your lovely despair.
Ana sa sanggol.
Cálmate, que
Init.
it's just FaceTime for Dia de los Muertos. Dia de los Muertos? What's that? It means Day of the Dead. My family celebrates this holiday to remember our loved ones.
Di ate ba?
Me, Ama, my
Isa
mother was
pa.
an ex-pilot. This was her compass. Do you have anything from your grandpa? My grandpa was an inventor. He made a famous
Wati ba?
Sipa
sa ate.
I know that.
Ito lang prago. Ang prago na mata ni